Mental diet is one such word that you may have heard on other manifestation channels. Many of you tried doing it, but failed because you were unclear about it. You thought you had to change every little thought, and it scared the hell out of you. It seemed very difficult for you, and you were always living in fear of what would happen if I did something wrong. I know how it feels. I have been there and done that. So, in today's video I will discuss some key learnings from the book, The 7-Day Mental Diet, written by Emmet Fox. This book will guide you through what a mental diet is and the things to keep in mind while doing it. It gives you clarity on how to deal with a negative situation. It will be a life-changing point for you if you try it out. This book is short, sweet, and to the point, just like my videos. I have gone through this book many times, and it always solves my doubts. Recently, I was reading this book, and I thought to give you guys some clarity on what you guys are missing, or some of you are doing wrong that might be hindering your progress. I am quoting this from the book itself. Note this carefully. It is not the thoughts that come to you that matter, but only such of them as you choose to entertain and dwell upon. Pause and read it carefully again and again. Did you get it now? It is not about the thoughts that come to you. If you are just roaming around your house, just by looking at some objects, some thoughts will come to your mind. Those things will trigger these thoughts for you. Similarly, from morning to night, you will encounter numerous circumstances that will cause you to think. Thoughts come and go. They are just thoughts. Only you term them as negative or positive. They are not causing any problems. The only problem that is being caused is your engagement with them, or when you dwell upon them. Most of you dwell upon negative thoughts. You dwell and create a thought pattern that evokes some emotions inside of you, which in turn creates a mood. And when it becomes your habit to entertain such thoughts and moods, they become dominant and manifest in your reality. Of course, many negative thoughts will come to you. The fact that you are watching these videos and consuming the self-help material means that something went wrong in your life in the past and now you want to improve. So, many of these thoughts will come to you and try to poke you, but all you need to do is shift your attention to something else. Hear me out clearly, you just need to shift your attention. Nothing more is required. Entertaining them is all that is causing the problem. If you look clearly, you will notice that these thoughts are just blessings, as they will help you to stay disciplined and on track. Developing such discipline would help you transform your life. So, for just 7 days, commit yourself to this mental activity. Only these 7 days will transform your life by 180 degrees. It may seem hard at first, I know, but it will be fruitful. Start it today, tomorrow, or any other day you want, but for the next 7 days, this diet must be your primary focus. It has to be given the topmost priority in your life. Many things will happen, but what you accept will become your reality. You give these thoughts power by fearing them, believing them, being sad about them, or being indignant about them. The main takeaway is that only dwelling on a negative thought will disrupt your mental diet. You don't have to be scared that you have to flip every little thought. Let them go. Just like if you encounter a dog on a street and you walk straight without giving any attention to it, it will not do anything. But if you engage with it, it might wave a tail and give a signal to play with you or bark at you. Remember this, only if you engage it will happen. I wish you luck. Go and conquer your day. Overcome your deepest fears, and life will become a play. Tell me in the comment section if you understood it clearly. Type I am clear, if it makes some sense. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Subscribe for daily nuggets. Happy manifesting.